Hello, we're Emma.
Neshe,
and Elaine from Connections Coventry.
please take a moment to get some food, preferably with different textures, tastes, and smells. Maybe a kiwi, a lemon, dates, a clove of garlic. And please take a glass of water as well.
Do you have those now? Are you in a quiet and comfortable place? Can you hear me okay? You can press pause at any time.
You are welcome to sit or stand as you prefer. We'll be staying here for a few minutes. If you need to adjust your position at any time, please feel free to do this.
Please take a moment now to take a few deep breaths and let them go. You can take some small stretches to go with the breathing, reaching into the space around you as you breathe in, and relaxing and releasing your body as you breathe out. If there's anywhere that you feel aches, then just take a moment to stretch and adjust, like turning your head from side to side or shaking your arms and your legs.
I'm going to invite you to pick up a piece of food from your collection now. So for a moment, just pick it up, feel its weight and texture. You can pass it from hand to hand or roll it on your lap to see what it feels like. Is it hot or cold? Prickly or maybe soft? Is it light? Is it heavy? Play with closing and opening your eyes to see if that changes what you feel. You can stay with the one food or switch to another if you feel like it.
You can bring it close to your nose. Can you pick up any smells? Is it sweet? Sour? Is it fresh? Is it familiar? You could pinch or squeeze it to see if that changes the smell. Does it surprise you at all? Or is it as you expected? It is also okay if you can't smell anything. Can you imagine what it smells like?
Bring it close to your mouth now. Do you feel like tasting? Just hold this to your lips a moment before tasting in whatever way you like. You could bite, lick, chew, or break it up with your hands to taste. If you don't want to taste this, then you can choose something else to taste, or even just taste the water. What texture does this have? Rough, smooth, dense, light, liquid?
Take a pause. What sensations and tastes can you feel on your tongue and teeth? Again, it's okay if you can't taste it. What can you imagine? When you've taken some time to chew, then you can take a drink of water.
Now come back to noticing your breathing in and out. How does your body feel right now? Again, a chance to stretch and adjust as you like.
Notice the room around you again. Look around. What colors, textures, light can you see in the room? Can you hear any sounds inside or outside the room? What does it feel like in this room?
You can adjust your position and look around. One more deep breath and let it go.
Thank you very much.
We hope you enjoyed that.
Goodbye.